You little brats! Fire style! Fireball jutsu! Synchronize, Kakashi! Release!
Kakashi, Obito.
We're here to save you, Rin. You're safe now.
You rescued the hostage and let your guard down. Don't you think it's a bit early to relax, you little leaf brats? Earth-style rock breaker!
This is bad. Run to the exit!
Kakashi!
Are you okay, Rin? Kakashi? Obito! No! Don't bother. It's no use, Kakashi. I think I'm done for. Obito!
No, but why? Obito!
Damn it! Why? If I had listened to you when you first said we should go after Rin, then this would never have happened. Some leader, some Jonin I am. Oh yeah, I forgot. I never gave you a gift to congratulate you on becoming a Jonin, Kakashi. I've been trying to come up with something good, and just now, I got an idea. Don't worry, it's not some lame gift you can't use. I want you to have my Sharingan. I don't care what people back home say. You are a great Jonin. I truly believe that. Take this, please. I'm going to die now, but I'll become one of your eyes. I'll see what the future holds.
No, perro. Tiene charinga.
Kakashi, hurry and take Rin and go. More reinforcements are coming.
But, Obito!
Just go. Rin!
Earth style! Earthquake slam!
Rin, grab onto me, quick!